ladies and gentlemen, we have showed you how to install OpenOffice, and now in this tutorial we'll show you how to use it. So after the OpenOffice is installed, just simply double click on the icon like you would with any other software or application, and this box will pop up on your screen. You've got the text document, the spreadsheet, the presentation, drawing, database, formula. A text document is basically a written document which you can write in, put pictures in, and it will come out like a written document. A spreadsheet is like a spreadsheet. You can do calculations and all sorts of other amazing stuff in it. Presentation is basically a PowerPoint which you can find in Office, Microsoft Office. Drawing is something similar to Paint. Database is very similar to spreadsheet, but obviously the calculations and everything is different. And the formula one, which I'll show you, which has only been added to the OpenOffice now, is something similar to programming, but it's not really programming. It's something mixed up with maths. So you can do weird calculation on here with maths, and it's pretty fun. Right, if you clicked on any of the following options, you can click just new, and you'll get text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database like shown before, and as well you'll get the HTML document, XML format document, master document, formula, labels, business card, and templates and documents. Templates and documents, you can go online, browse and download lots of templates. With business cards you create business cards, like the name says, and with the HTML and XML form documents, it's a programming language which is used for programming on the internet, and you can start programming straight away. And yeah, it's when you save the work, you know, the program will be written from you. It's very similar to Visual Studio, but of course this software is free. So text document, with text document you get a control very similar to Microsoft Word document. You get all the font options on the top. You get the alignment of the text. You get all the bullet points and numbers and everything, and then you get the option from the OpenOffice, which will be new text document will pop up. You can add the spreadsheet, and as you can see, it's very similar to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office spreadsheet. It's not a lot different. And then we can select the apologize for that. We can select the presentation one, and then we can select from here. We can select empty presentation, from template, or open existing presentation. Well, empty presentation would just be blank presentation. With the from template one, we'll get a, sorry for the finger, just the camera a bit wobbly, trying to, yeah, there we go. From template we'll get options that we can choose, as you can see. We get different templates, and if we click next, we can select all the options. So we can have fresco, all forest, characters with glow, and effects, wipe left, or no effects at all. Yeah, there we go. And then next, what is your name of the company? Of course you type in your company name here and everything, and then choose your pages. So you want all of the pages, and then click create, and there's your presentation. As you can see, it's very similar to PowerPoint in Microsoft Office, and of course there's Microsoft Office here. And to preview the presentation, it's F5, like of course in Microsoft Office. And if you have dual screen, then you'll get a preview on the other screen, whereas the presentation will play on the first primary screen, and secondary you get a current slide, And next slide, overview. Well, if you only own one monitor, then that's what you'll see, and that's what you'll get for and an overview. And just to skip all throughout the through the PowerPoint, you just click right and left to flick through the PowerPoints, and then to exit the PowerPoint you just simply click escape, and then drawing. As you can see, it's actually very similar to a Microsoft Publisher. If we open the Publisher here on the secondary screen, we can see the difference between two. Ain't as big as they're supposed to be. So, but of course, for Microsoft Office, seen on the right screen, you have to pay a large amount of money. I paid 86 quid for it. That's only the standard home edition without the email and everything. With the email and everything, you need to pay something around 150 quid, and that's for one PC only. For 3 PCs, you need to pay a large amount of money. And then on the left, we can see the free software OpenOffice, and there's not a lot of difference, to be honest. And of course, if the files are saved from the OpenOffice, we can open them through Microsoft Word. So if we I don't know, type in somewhere here, like insert this text box here and write hello. Nice. And we file and save as, and we go ODF drawing, and then you got all the file formats, and then we go hello guys. Let me save it on the desktop, and then in downloads, and close this off, discard all the saving, and then we go to the Microsoft Office and we go open, and we can go to downloads and team member application. Publisher is converting this file now. As you can see, it's all text formats. Will select the I don't seem to find the file, but what I was meant to say is that anything you save in OpenOffice will be you can open in Microsoft Word. So if you've got Microsoft Word at work and using OpenOffice at home, then there is no problem with opening it at at work, Microsoft Office. And then at the bottom here we can get more templates for OpenOffice. We can add new features and then get more information about OpenOffice. If we add more features, we get taken to a website which will show us all the available add-ons that we can download for our OpenOffice, and you can just simply download, and the list here will grow bigger and bigger as you download. These are the pre-installed applications that come with it, and then all the macro tools to record macros and everything. Of course, if you are an experienced user in Microsoft Word, then you will not have any problem with using this OpenOffice. If you are a beginner, then I would advise you to read some instructions on how to use OpenOffice, or contact the OpenOffice manufacturer, which is Apache, and they ask them a few questions on how to do whatever you want to do. And for even more experienced users, you'll know how to record macros and everything, so you probably won't need any more help from me. But if you guys need any more extra help, just write in the comments below, and I'll answer the questions as soon as I can, and I'll try to answer them accurately as I can. And don't hesitate, just ask the questions below in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.